Okay. Yeah, he wants to do
Very long. I have a
Yacht control manual system check. Let's see what they can do. I'm not seeing any movement. Can you try again? Ooh, nothing. Okay. Hold up for a second. Oh, no. It's moving now. I said hold on. Wait, don't touch the controls. Okay. Fuel-free burner! On!
All the available space to either side for me. Put all the available space all the way up.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but it's this. Oh, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Known for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. In a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first owner will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go. Well, too much off. I will never send them any place dangerous to damage Disneyland. And then you, yes, but this is why I start my own company. To avoid tedious conversations with the profit.
My 3, hold there for just a second. How many right behind my 3 there? 4. Okay, all good. That's all. Yeah. All right, come on in. Just in a circle here. Welcome in. Hello, my hi ladies. High flight color blue. Okay, what color crew? Blue. There you go. You go all the way down, blue. All the way down. Hondo's going to explain a little bit about your roles. All right. All the way down.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, flight crew, bags on the floor and seatbelts on.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer.
スイッチ、そこ緑のとこ。
I'll do the second power. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Julie, look at the head. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineer, wire the output. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Alright. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. That cargo is breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Guys, oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another route here. Time for you to go. And don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
Good job. Good job. Sierra.
This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.